right, meteorologist Dean Davis and the Weather Pros, live with theblocks.com, Snowplow Nation. We're going to talk about the potential, actually, for some interior snowfall coming this weekend for the interior Northeast. At this point, it doesn't look like it's going to be much of a coastal issue. We may see some snow flurries. Two models showing two different things right now. We're going to first go with the DFS model. Currently, we have a low pressure system in Massachusetts, moving that rain out. This is going to bring in the high pressure system and some cold air. We will then see a storm floating around the Atlantic Ocean and a storm coming in from the west. This will be what we're going to show you momentarily in the Midwest. It's going to be a snowfall, probably first interesting snowfall, accumulating snowfall for the Midwest. But here we go with the cold front. And as you see, we get some blue here in West Virginia and even into Virginia, and also in central Pennsylvania as this front moves to the east. So, the thing is, Roanoke area, we may see a few snow flurries. I would not put that out of your projections here for the week going into the week, end of the week into the weekend. So this will move through. You see northeastern Pennsylvania and may get into some snow. So this is more of an interior New England thing. Here also, look here, Lake Erie, warm lakes, cold air. What's that equal? Lake effect snow. Everything is going to start shooting off when it comes to lake effect snow here. So as it moves to the east, as you see, interior New York stays with a chance of snow, and so does parts of Vermont, New Hampshire, and then we get a high pressure system once again built in before we go in towards Thanksgiving. We're looking to have a nice rainstorm coming in Thanksgiving, which we need to rain here in the Virginia area and North Carolina area where we haven't had any rain for a while. Behind that, we may see some snowflakes too. We're getting towards the end of November into December, so we start seeing this pattern. Obviously, Michigan here, you see some snowfall. We look at the projections on the area of the Euro. We look for blue. Blue is going to be the color you look for cold air, which, when you mix it with a front, would equal snow. You see your yellows, and then the blue, bold blue coming back. Like I said, cold air is going to be blowing into the area by this weekend. We're talking about highs in the low 40s here in the Roanoke area, parts of Virginia. So if precipitation is available, yes, we will see the potential for some snowflakes. I wouldn't be surprised on the back end that a lot of places may see some wet snowflakes accumulation. Not much in, like I said, the coastal Northeast or even places like Roanoke. And if you continue on to have your rainstorm for Thanksgiving, looks pretty good right now on the model. So that's your Northeast and Mid-Atlantic. We're going to spread out a little bit to the upper Midwest, which is going to likely take a more significant hit. So now we're looking at the upper Midwest, and we will see the storm coming towards late week. You see the low pressure developing here, and watch what happens. Snowfall starts to break out as it gets low near Kansas. So South Dakota, North Dakota, Kansas, Nebraska, we'll get into some snowfall. Also Minnesota. This will allow some rainfall to come in towards Chicagoland. And a heavier snowfall. It's going to be really close to Minneapolis, St. Paul, the rain snow line. To start with, we will likely get some snow afterwards on that in parts of Wisconsin. And then we get the full-fledged lake effect potential on the parts of Michigan. The 540 line start to treat from that rainstorm we were talking about in the east. But then the 540 line starts cracking back behind this low pressure system. Once again, it looks like Michigan will be the one that gets the Thanksgiving area potential. And then lake effect sticks around. So the pattern is changing, and this will likely lead to snow events starting in areas such as the Northeast and Mid-Atlantic, probably in parts of December. So, like I said, we may see some snowflakes this weekend, but it doesn't look like a significant issue right now. We'll keep an eye on it. If you're in the interior Northeast, do prepare for some snow and some accumulating snow. Also, if you're in the upper Midwest. Meteorologist Dean Davison, thanks for watching. Watch us on the Carolina Weather Group tomorrow. We're doing a podcast. Make sure you watch us as we talk with Carolina Weather Group. Talk to you then.